They sell these on TikTok? Now, how many beauty people do you know do stuff like this? They're all trying to hide their acne and pretend they don't have acne, pretend they don't have texture. Yes, I bought the high frequency wand kit. Okay, here's the deal. I have this huge, very swollen, very painful, like pustule on the side of my nose. It's been here for like 3 weeks and it's gotta go. Like serums and topical products are just not working. When using high frequency wands, you wanna start off by really prepping your skin with a very nice, like hyaluronic based serum. You want your skin to be very wet, basically. Now, I have a lot of experience with high frequency treatments. I got these done a lot when I worked in a med spa in the past. My thing is this going to work at this price point? Because the ones that I used in the past were much more expensive. So that's like my only concern. Now, these are glass tubes, so make sure you're careful. Hold them just above the base, not at the very top, and place it into the wand itself. Power settings on the bottom. Start off on the lowest level, like 1 to 1.5. I'm using the mushroom tube first. This is going to be for your larger areas of your face, so your cheeks, you can do this on your forehead, your jawline, areas like that. Basically, this one's used just because it's larger and it can go over a larger surface area much faster. Now for me, I can handle much stronger because I'm used to this, so I'm going to turn up to like 2.5. Again, I'm going to use... I love that so much. I'm going to ground it. There we go. The buzzing noise is completely normal. Go over my face. Now, it's recommended to only use treatments like this twice per week every week. And you're not going to see like noticeable improvements overnight. But this is really going to help to kill bacteria under the skin, inflammation, things like that. I'm switching over to the spot tube. Okay, for the spot treatment, I'm going to really go in on this pustule for like 10 to 15 seconds because I really want to get it going. So I did turn it up and watch, ready? When it touches, you can see the little spark and you can see the gas inside it light up. Again, 10-15 seconds max. This is on a level 3 right now, and there's barely any feeling to it, so don't think it's gonna like electrocute you. It doesn't feel that way. Now, anywhere else, I have a couple little spots over here. I know I did go over my entire face with the mushroom one, but I still want to do a couple little extra little spot moments like right here. What's kind of fun is that you can see exactly when you're touching like these little spots, how they turn a little bit more red. And I love that. Because like it just shows me that I'm really actually targeting them. Like you see how they turn red immediately? I love that because it's literally picking up the exact spots. Now, how many beauty people do you know do stuff like this? They're all trying to hide their acne and pretend they don't have acne, pretend they don't have texture. I'd be like, look at it. Let's show it all off. I don't care. Okay, I'm going to ground it, turn it off. Again, 2 times a week max, and you should definitely start seeing results. I'm hoping to see results. I can feel it. I can see it. The spots that I touch obviously were getting red. It's clearly doing something to my skin. I'm actually very hopeful that this is going to work as well as the sessions that I would get in like the med spa, like I said, back in the day. So I'm very excited about this, actually, not gonna lie. There's also an attachment for your hair that you can use to help reduce loss of hair, help reverse that. There's also this tongue attachment. This is just literally so you can go over acne areas a little bit faster as well. So I'm very excited about this. Have you ever tried high frequency? Would you try it? Like I said, I've used this a lot in the past. I love it. I highly recommend it. I believe in this technology. It has worked for me in the past, and I'm excited to start back on this journey from home and not spend a ton of money in a med spa. So I love that for me.